I am gonna be turning this engine into a 3000 watt generator. So let's get started. This is a 26cc engine used for spray machines. Now remove this bracket and fix it the other way. Next, we have to make the frame for it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Also click on bell notifications. Comment down below what I should do next. Now mark holes to fix the engine. I will be using rubber-like screws to reduce vibration from the engine. That's a 24 volt motor. Yeah, let's paint that up. That's the engine speed controller that I will be using. It's the stop button. That's the fuel in tube and the fuel out tube. This is the fuel tank. The electrics for this generator will be in another video since parts didn't arrive yet. Stay tuned for the part 2.